Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! So we're here again for another winter episode here in Japan. Just don't forget to subscribe to Pink Sampagita YouTube channel to hear our latest stories and experiences here in Japan. So ngayon po ang pang-apat na araw namin for this winter adventure. So today is January 1, so maligayang bagong taon po sa inyong lahat. Medyo na-late lang po ng upload kasi medyo busy po ang inyong Pink Sampagita. Pero I'll share everything what happened on this day. So maaga kaming gumising ngayon. Kapag nasa trip kami, 7 AM pa lang, nasa hotel restaurant na kami para kumain. Ini-enjoy namin syempre ang almusal. Yung mga menu nila hindi dapat palagpasin, di ba? So today is our third day here in Apikogen and it's time para mag-check out kami and move to other location. Almost 10 AM na kami nakaalis ng hotel. It's because in-enjoy nga namin yung dessert and coffee during breakfast. So medyo natagalan kami sa restaurant. You can see here our plan route for today, starting here at Apikogen Resort to Yamagata Prefecture. It takes around 4 hours drive to reach the place. Si husband, maagang manilinis yung sasakyan kasi napakakapal ng snow. Hindi kami makakaalis ng basta-basta. Ang sasakyan pa naman namin guys is not really good on snow kasi TWD wheel lang siya. So para lang maintindihan guys, i-explain ko kung ano yung mga pinagsasabi ko. May dalawang uri ng sasakyan that their engines use to transmit power to the wheels. First is called 2WD or two-wheel drive, and the second one is 4WD or four-wheels drive. So our car is just two-wheel drive, which means yung dalawang wheels lang sa front ang powered ng engines. So medyo kabado kami kasi pag snowy road and going up, hindi kaya ng ganitong sasakyan. Kaya, pag yung resort medyo mataas or pataas, super slippery ang daan. We can't get through kaya ang ending ay umuwi na lang kami kasi nga di makaakyat yung sasakyan namin. So, pag may budget na siguro, upgrade namin the car for snow which is the 4WD or 4-wheel drive. By the way, look at this mineral bottle that we left inside the car. It's so frozen now. Yes, that's how cold in this area. Grabe, no? Kung wala naman snow, there's no problem with the car. So, if you have a car dyan sa Pinas, I think no problem naman if 2WD or 4WD. So, lahat yan, natutuhan ko lang din naman from my husband. Galing niya, di ba? So, back to the video tayo guys. So, ayun nga, medyo nahirapan kami bungkalin yung snow kaya di agad nakaalis. Pero after ng ilang oras, sa wakas nakaabante rin kami. Hinintay din muna namin matapos yung bulldozer kung saan need talaga to clear the roads in the hotel. Medyo late na kami sa schedule, mabagal lang andar ng sasakyan gawa nga ng snow. So, malamang wala na kaming mapupuntang ibang lugar ngayon. We just need to stop by sa isang mall sa Yamagata province to continue the drying process of our clothes. Nilaban namin sa hotel bago umalis kanina pero hindi kinaya ng dryer nila doon so medyo basa pa. Dito sa Japan guys, high-tech ang laundry shop and kahit saan you can find it like sa malls, road or hotel. Ang galing, 'di ba? Kapag winter travel pa naman, napakabigat ng luggage. Kaya very good yung laundry shop anywhere here in Japan. In front of this laundry coin shop is a sushi restaurant called Kappa Sushi. We'll be having our lunch there while we wait for the drying process to finish. According to the machine, it takes 1 hour to end the cycle, so we will just wait at the restaurant. So this is Kappa Sushi, guys. Most of their food is sushi and it's one of our favorites to eat in Japan. I also learned to eat Japanese foods and I like it now. Pero syempre, wala pa ring tatalo sa pagkaing Pinoy. Naks!
Ayun yung kapitan.
So after 1 hour, we got the clothes cleaned and dried. Then, we drive to our hotel na kasi medyo malayo pa kami and snow is too strong, baka mabalahok. But of course, before we go to the hotel, we need to fuel the car para bukas ready na kami.
I'm feeling down, I don't know why, no it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy.
So we had another stopover before we directly go to the hotel. Our kids love reading manga books, so we stop over to our favorite bookstore, Book Off. So after a few drive from the bookstore, we are here at the hotel. So hubby needs to process everything first. The name of the hotel is Yamagata Grand Hotel. This is our second time here. And maganda talaga itong hotel. So if just in case you're gonna come here in Yamagata, try this hotel. Not so pricey, but we recommend it.
I don't know about you, but you make me crazy. Never got your name. taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me, 'cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me, 'cause I'm next in line. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy.
For me, I'm so satisfied with this hotel with 3 beds, so there's no problem. Medyo naka-dim light lang siya guys, kaya parang a little blurry, pero ganyan talaga siya.
Yeah, you do it so smooth. Make it all about you. Can have it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that.
If you have questions, please don't be shy to ask. I'll be happy to answer you all. So, ayan guys, pinakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung nasa loob ng hotel. So, yes, maganda talaga, di ba? So, after we check in, we went out to find a restaurant to have our dinner. So, we check outside and walk near the hotel. We always choose a hotel nearby the train station para madaming establishment or restaurant. I think that's one tip that I can give you guys when you want to go travel here in Japan. Get a hotel near the train station. But not so near kasi may ingay yung train guys, okay? Ang ganda ng road nila, ang daming Christmas light plus the snow. Super ganda, di ba? Look at our kids guys, even we are always at the snow resort, parang di pa rin sila nagsasawa sa snow. After we walk a few meters away from the hotel, we noticed that all restaurant is closed and we realize na New Year's Day nga pala today kaya sarado talaga. The kids and I waited inside the convenience store of 7-Eleven while my husband checked the train station's restaurant and he found out that everything is really closed on that day. We ended up buying our dinner at 7-Eleven pero masarap din naman yung pagkain nila doon. So, this is it guys. I hope you enjoy listening and watching my vlog. Happy New Year and see you in my next vlog. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.